Hey guys, welcome back to Backoutside. I'm Nick, and unfortunately we're back inside today. It's been raining for the past couple of days, and the sun's finally out. But unfortunately now I'm heading out real soon to go camping, so I haven't been able to get this video out. So if you haven't heard already, me and Riley are going to be section hiking the entire AT, 2,200 miles. So why are we going to be section hiking? We can't do a through hike because of a 50-50 custody thing between Riley's mom and I. So Riley's constantly bouncing back and forth between houses, plus she has school, and I don't want to do the trail without her. So we're just going to do section hikes. The plan is to get at least one full state done, maybe 2 full states a year, which would be great. So we're starting May 18th, which is, in about 30 days from the time I'm making this video. First hike is going to be all of Maryland. We're going from Penmar Station to Harpers Ferry. I have it planned out to where I'll have 8 days to move a 6-year-old about 40 miles, so it's not going to be difficult. We're all registered with National Park Service as far as the whole hike goes, and then all the family knows exactly where we're going. We'll be moving 5 to 6 miles a day. The reason we're going slow is because it's my first overnight long distance hike. Like, I've gone one night backpacking trips, but I've never gone like overnight and then keep hiking, sleep again, keep hiking. So I'm kind of have it set low to 5 to 6 miles a day for myself, as well as moving a 6-year-old. And then also so we can document the entire AT, like just get good shots of everything that we can. Before I keep going, I just want to mention 2 people real quick that have really made my past couple of days go great. First is Mr. Rod from Beat Around the Bushcraft. If you haven't checked this guy out yet, click this link and check him out. This dude is hilarious.
Hey, this is Rod, and today I'm eating a tree. Why am I eating a tree? Because I can.
Another is Phat Outdoors. This is a really humble channel. This guy is cool. He just makes you feel at home. He just makes you feel like family. It's great. So getting back on, the way I'm going to be documenting the AT is we're just going to be walking around, filming, taking pictures. I think I'm going to give Riley a camera, and then I'm going to have a camera so she can do whatever she wants, and then I'll get my stuff. And then each night I'm just going to post all the raw footage straight to here. It'll just be like day 1 raw footage. And then when I get home, I'm going to take all the different footage and make it into like a state footage, right? Like a Maryland documentary, because our first hike is going to be all through Maryland. So when we're done, it'll be like an all through Maryland documentary. And then when we go do another state, like say we do PA in a couple months, like at the end of fall maybe, or in fall, we'll do the same thing, just post all the raw footage, and then I'll get home and make a Pennsylvania documentary. And then once we complete the Appalachian Trail, we're going to have all those, like the Maryland, the Pennsylvania, right, Maine, Georgia, all the different, and then I'll combine them into one cool one. So then by the time we're all done, we'll have a whole bunch of different stuff to binge watch. It'll be different, and it'll just be real cool. And then hopefully we'll have a nice long AT documentary like everybody else. And then throughout, the thing will be cool is that throughout the final documentary is you'll watch Riley grow up. And the beard get long. You'll watch the beard get longer, and you'll watch Riley grow up. So that's going to be cool, isn't it? Because it's not all just going to be, a 6-month trek. It'll be like over time, like maybe 6 years. So the final documentary is going to be really cool. I think the final one. So we're going to be staying near shelters. The reason I'm going to stay near shelters and not at shelters is because I have social anxiety. So it's just, I don't know. We'll get it figured out. For more information on all that, though, I'm going to be coming out with 2 other videos. One's going to be how I'm going to deal with hiking the Appalachian Trail with social anxiety, and the other is how did I overcome social anxiety to make these vlog videos. It's kind of difficult, to be honest, with the camera rolling and then talking into the mic. It's not that easy. So if you do have any suggestions before I come out with that video, feel free to comment below on ways you've overcome social anxiety between the trail and vlogging and just all together. A couple more videos we have coming out is the Appalachian Trail gear list. So all the stuff I'll be taking on the trail, and our food list. Now the food list one is going to be kind of interesting because I'm going to be taking 8 days of food. I know you don't have to do that, especially in Maryland. There's a couple places where you can order pizza, and then there's also a few places where you can just get full resupplies. But there's a few other reasons why we're just going to take a full 8 days and not go to towns and stuff. So for more information on that, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, subscribe please, and check out all the other videos we got going on. And if you're coming back to the channel and you're already subscribed, thank you so much for the support. Please leave a comment, thumbs up if you want. I can't wait to respond to some of your comments. To be honest, that's probably my favorite part about this whole YouTubing thing, is just the conversations we get to have with other people. So like I said earlier, I spend a lot of time just sitting around by myself, so every little comment, every conversation we have with you guys, it's just awesome. It really helps the day go by, and all that cool stuff. So like I said, thank you guys for stopping by. Really appreciate it. Subscribe if you want. Leave a thumbs up if you want. And I look forward to seeing you again.
Tell me in the comments, do your family like to go hiking? Maybe not. Maybe they do.